Kartel. All right. Hi, Kartel. Welcome to the show. A lot of people may not know you were here on the first and third season.
Yes,
so it's a pleasure to have you here for our 20th season. Now, what do you want to see from each contestant tonight when they hit that stage?
Okay, first of all, I'd like to say good night to the judges and to the vibrant crowd around here, so. And to the entire team. Well, as usual, you know, we're looking for talent. You know what I mean? We're looking for charisma as well. Because remember, being a star is not just about being talented. You have to have the charisma, right, Elaine?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you understand? So, the people that are going good so far, you know, we are watching from where we were upcoming. So, I have my favorites, but I now got to talk still.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, the drama just keeps coming. Fans were completely floored Sunday night when Vybz Kartel made a surprise appearance as a judge on Digicel Rising Stars. And this just hours after attending the People's National Party Conference. It's a plot twist no one saw coming, but trust Kartel to always be full of surprises. Videos have been circulating online, showing the world boss DJ making his grand entrance on the iconic show, which has propelled stars like Romain Virgo, Layden, and Chris Martin into the spotlight. And guess what? Kartel wasn't just there to show face. He was actively giving advice to contestants, even dropping some of his signature wit and wisdom. When one contestant's talent blew him away, Kartel couldn't help but say,
Kartel.
You know what? I never know what I say you did young. I know I get it. Because your voice coming like them big beasts that we are skate on the tool. Powerful, you know. You say anytime you learn to manage it, them can't hold you. Hear that, little girl? Anytime you learn to manage that voice there, the sky is the limit for you. You hear me tell you? Keep that in mind. Big up yourself.
Talk about a memorable compliment. Kartel also connected with another contestant, showing his softer side, saying,
You know you're amazing. May I tell you, the song selection alone, but when you start sing, I say, yo, you should be there, so man. You should have been on tour with me. Yo, you're bad. Big up yourself, G.
What a moment for the contestants and fans alike. The big question remains, what do you think? Do you agree with Kartel's words of wisdom? Or do you think he's stepping outside of his lane as a judge on a show like this? And how do you feel about him juggling the political scene and the entertainment world all in one day? Comment below. Let's get the conversation going.